Eukaryotic cells are made of several tiny structures called organelles, each with a specific job to keep them working. The nucleus acts as the cell's command center, storing the DNA that holds the instructions for making thousands of proteins. Around it is a network of thin filamentous organelles called the endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, it is called the rough endoplasmic reticulum. If not, it is called the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes are protein-building factories. Once produced, these proteins are assembled inside the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then, the protein is transferred to another organelle called the Golgi apparatus. This organelle modifies and packages the proteins and sends them to their destinations in or out of the cell. Cells require a constant supply of energy for activities like protein synthesis and cell division, which they obtain from mitochondria, the powerhouses that generate this energy. There are also other organelles, such as lysosomes, peroxisomes, and chloroplasts, each with unique functions.